Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping and Wizard of the Weird, with another great Blackhead discussion video. Today we're going to talk about Mango's bizarre skin condition. Mango contacted us on Facebook asking if we could identify what this condition is. He says these blackhead-like spots are over half of his body from his neck to his feet. Can you help him identify what the condition is? Could the condition be Nevus Comedonicus syndrome? Nevus Comedonicus refers to closely arranged, grouped, often linear, slightly elevated papules that have at their center keratinous plugs. It may be present since birth or appear later. Patients usually seek help for cosmetic reasons. The lesions grow as the patient does and often grow faster at puberty. Patients may be able to express keratinaceous material from the pores, which means that some of them might be poppable. So let's look at some more of his video submission. Please comment below. Do you think this is Nevus Comedonicus syndrome?
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Synergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Synergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.